Hello. I'm Bobby. Oh,
Ethan, you and my account.
we're playing FIFA.
Yo, Bobby and
Ah!
Liam go first.
FIFA.
No, because we only have one controller.
Okay, we'll do a FIFA tournament, yeah.
FIFA!
Then we'll
FIFA.
we'll play different teams, yeah. And if it's a 1v1,
FIFA.
then we'll just
And my
simulate
people
it.
do it out.
Normally,
That's what I done with Justin yesterday.
Yeah, that's what you did with me too.
I don't like Justin. Justin bad. Huh?
Oh!
Yeah. I didn't talk crap about you. Yeah!
He actually does.
He does. Talks a lot of crap, actually. He says, oh, the reason why I don't like names is because he's always ungrateful.
Do you
Just
know
watching house.
this kid, yeah, went on the news.
No, I don't have a scoffy, I have a big one.
This person, yeah, went on the news for singing.
How you been, Ethan?
This kid got on the bloody...
People on Facebook are loving this boy's cover of Whitney
He's had Down
Houston's
syndrome.
I Have
Ethan,
Nothing.
who you being?
Real Madrid, like no more.
Who you being?
No, actually Barcelona.
Who's Bobby being?
Bobby, who you been?
9-year-old Dane Miller has Down syndrome. He also loves
Who you been?
music.
What football
His
team?
mom says he fell in love with the song after his family watched a documentary about it.
What football team you being?
Bye.
Football team. I'm not playing
Why?
because it gets boring. It gets boring to me.
Okay, Bobby is Paris. I'll
What?
make the one. Oh my god.
Bobby
Is
PSG.
Yeah, okay. With PSG.
Paris, yeah?
Yeah, you can be Paris. You want to be Paris?
where's my drink? I'm blind.
There.
They're right there.
What, here? He being PSG?
Not me.
Yeah. Always similar. Bobby can be Paris.
Paris.
Okay, Bobby's Paris.
On my name.
Liam's going first.
This is about to go viral.